Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. I am here to give you the lecture of English for the class 7 Oxford Progressive English 7. Today is our revision lecture, so we will revise chapter number 6, 7 and 8 and grammar portion adverbs, conjunctions and tenses. Here is the pick of your syllabus. Unit number 6, lesson folk tale from the Poland, news reports. Unit number 7, water, fiction, newspaper report, 2 billion people are dying for it. Unit number 8, family feelings. Now grammar portion adverbs, conjunctions, page number this to this, tenses and essay writing, my favorite teacher. Now all the exercise question answers are mentioned on your notebooks. All objectives are also done on your notebooks, books as well as notebooks. So we will revise only objective here from the English grammar. On page number 79, adjectives and adverbs. There are several classes of adjectives and adverbs, but adjectives of quality and adverbs of manners are most important. Adjectives quality, they modify the meanings of a noun by denoting a quality. Green glass, a white cow, a hot day, etc. Adverbs of manners, they show how or in what manner an action is done. He walks slowly, you write very badly. They are the most useful class of adverbs and include most of those formed from adjectives by adding ly as. Adjectives, angry, adverb, angrily, bad, badly, bright, brightly, clear, clearly, different, differently, equal, equally, fair, fairly, great, greatly, grace, gracefully, gentle, gently, happy, happily, harsh, harshly, just, justly, kind, kindly, loud, loudly, sweet, sweetly, wise, wisely. अब आप एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब्स में डिफरेंस कर सकते हैं. Comparison of adjective and adverbs. Adjectives and adverbs are used with certain changes of form to make the comparisons. These variant forms are known as the comparative and superlative degrees. We form the comparative by adding the suffix er to short adjective and adverbs and the word more before longer ones. Akbar is taller than Aslam. The book is more interesting than that. He has worked harder than he did last year. He arrived more quickly than we had expected. In the same way, we form the superlative by adding est to the short adjective and adverbs, and the word must be for longer ones. This is the longest journey we have yet made. He is the most trustworthy clerk in the office. Ali ran fastest of all. Ahmed played most skillfully of all the players. The comparative is used to compare two only. The superlative is used to select one from more than two. His strength is superior to mine. His strength is inferior to mine. This man is senior to that. This man is junior to that. Exercise है. अब आपके पास point out the adjectives and name of the degrees of comparison in the following sentences. And I hope you done on your books also. Conjunctions. Your second topic is lesson is conjunctions. Conjunctions join sentences and words. You can go, but I am stay. Bashir and Rashid went to school. There are two kinds of conjunction. Coordinative, so called because they join sentences of coordinate rank, that is of equal rank. We shall go to the bazaar and buy our clothes. These sentences are independent of each other and can be written separately. We shall go to the bazaar, we shall buy our clothes, hence they are of equal rank. The following are the principal coordinate conjunctions: and, but, therefore, also, hence, however, so, only, as well as subordinative. So called because they join us subordinate sentences to the principal sentence. I would die before I tell a lie. I would die is a principal sentence and can stand alone. But before I tell a lie is a subordinate sentence and depends upon the principal sentence for its meaning. The following are the chief subordinate conjunctions: that, because, as, since, lest, if, though, although. Some conjunctions are used in pairs and are correlatives conjunctions. The more are the most frequently used pairs: either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also, no sooner than, though, yet, so that, so as. The examples are here. Either Akbar or Asghar may go. He is neither very tall nor very short. Both Akbar and Asghar may go. She not only admired but also loved him. No sooner did he utter these words than he was stabbed. Though he fell, yet he was not hurt. I am so tired that I cannot walk. His writing is not so good as yours. Use of some important conjunctions are there. Since this conjunction is always preceded by a verb, either in the present indefinite or present perfect, and is followed by a verb in the past indefinite. It is a month since he came here. 4 years have passed since my father died. Now here are the exercises of to do or underline conjunctions here. So I will not read it all. Tenses are present from page number 41 to 61. So prepare it well. But the table is here for the understanding. There are 4 tenses: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Indefinite, present, past and future. I play, मैं खेलता हूँ. He plays, वो खेलता है. पास्ट में अगर आप देखेंगे 3 फ्यूचर टेंसेस में आ रहे हैं इसमें कि 3 आपके पास टाइप्स हैं: प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर. एंड देयर आर मोर टाइप्स ऑफ प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर्स. लेट्स सपोज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट, पहचान है इसकी मैं खेलता हूँ. ता हूँ, ती है, ते हैं. पास्ट इंडेफिनेट में अलिफ, छोटी है या बड़ी है, जैसे कि खेला, खेले, आए, गए. फ्यूचर इंडेफिनेट गा, गी, गे. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस रहा हूँ, रही हूँ, रहे हैं. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस वाज प्लेइंग, रहा था, रहे थे. फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस खेल रहा होगा, खेल रहे होंगे. एंड शैल बी प्लेइंग. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट मैं खेल चुका हूँ, वो खेल चुका है. पास्ट परफेक्ट आई हैड प्लेड, मैं खेल चुका था, खेल चुके थे. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट आई शैल हैव प्लेड, मैं खेल चुका हूँगा. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस आई हैव बीन प्लेइंग. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस आई हैड बीन प्लेइंग. फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस आई शैल बी प्लेइंग. मैं खेलता रहा हूँगा। ये सिर्फ आपकी पहचान कराने के लिए कुछ टेंसेस के लास्ट वर्ड्स आप लोगों को बताए जाते हैं, सिखाए जाते हैं, और इनके हेल्पिंग वर्ड्स और आपके वर्ड्स आप लोगों को मैम ने नोट डाउन करवाए हुए हैं। सो आपने इनकी प्रिपरेशन अच्छे से करनी है और इनके एक्सरसाइजेस को सॉल्व करने की ट्राई कीजिएगा। नाउ बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर फ्यूचर पेपर्स। अच्छी से तैयारी करें और स्कूल में अपने पेपर सबमिट करवाएं। ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़।